Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to plan effective reports in Excel.
We'll see how defining objectives, understanding the audience, create reports that clearly communicate business insights. If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, the full playlist link is available in the description below. Now let's get started.
Imagine you're a business analyst preparing a quarterly report for senior executives. The report should help management quickly understand business performance and make informed decisions. Before creating charts or formatting tables, it's important to plan the report. A well-planned report is easier to read, highlights the most important information, and supports better decision-making. Let's begin with our sample sales dataset. It contains region, revenue, sales targets, profit, customer satisfaction, and new customer counts for 4 regions. Our first step is to define the report objective. The objective explains what the report is intended to communicate. In this case, our goal is to summarize quarterly business performance and identify the best and worst performing regions. Having a clear objective keeps the report focused and prevents unnecessary information from being included. Next, identify the target audience. Different audiences require different levels of detail. This report is designed for executives. Executives usually want a high-level summary instead of detailed transaction records. That means we'll focus on key performance indicators rather than every sales entry. Now let's decide what information should appear in the report.
The most important metrics are region, revenue, target, profit, customer satisfaction, and new customers. These values provide a complete picture of business performance without overwhelming the audience. Once the content is selected, organize it in a logical order. Start with the overall business summary, then present the key performance metrics. After that, compare performance across regions. Finally, include the major findings and recommendations. A logical structure allows readers to understand the report quickly without searching for information.
If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.